wind generator that came loose after about a year and a half. I hadn't checked it, I should have. I melded it back together with the soldering iron. I'm going to see if it works. I was going to put JB weld on it, but then it'd be out of balance. I marked each one. If it breaks off, I'm just going to cut it and see how it works. It's $140 Vevor. I've had it for 2 or 3 years. It's been working. And I'm going to try it. See if my soldering iron melted plastic repair works. So far it's working, but we get 35-mile-an-hour winds out here. There's a shadow on the ground. Bearing's kind of noisy, but I've had it's been a good wind generator. 400 watts, but it powers everything I need. It's a strobe effect. It's spinning louder than it is. It's faster than it shows.